So, as promised, I'm bringing you this video where I will be channeling fairies, and let's begin this video by just folding our hands, closing our eyes, and asking fairies to connect with me. Dear fairies, please connect with me. Please connect with us. Just close your eyes and just pray to connect with you. Fairies to connect with you and give you advice, guidance that you seek. Thank you. Reference. Okay. So now how it works, I will pull out some cards and will read the messages on them, and I will channel with fairies. And if I can hear any fairies, if I get any guidance, I will say that to you. I will give that guidance to you. Okay, I will deliver it for you to you. Let's take out some cards. Sun. Huh? What? I can't believe this. Okay, if you can see these three cards: son, pregnancy, daughter. What the hell? It is. Okay, someone is going to be pregnant and they can have twins, like a daughter and a son both, or twins. Two boys also, two girls also, or you can be pregnant with even one child also. So pregnancy is in cards. Okay, if you are expecting a child, if you want to if you're expecting a child, and if you do not, you're not expecting a child also, just go and find out, and you figure out, and you find out after some time that okay, I'm pregnant. So this is your card, and I've never got this coincidence that there's son also, there's daughter also, and there's pregnancy also. So what a coincidence, and what a strong sign that you are going to be pregnant with maybe twins or maybe just one child. But congratulations. Don't forget to send me treats. Party time. Yeah. Yes. So let's pull out more cards. Let's see. So someone is getting pregnant, and I see that you have a very happy family life. Your life is filled with love. Your home is filled with love, and those children or a child that will come in your life will fill your life with even more fervor, even more joy. Okay, someone is going on business venture, and easy does it. So are you in business or something? I see that you are in business. You have sort of business, and you are striving very hard in cracking a deal or something. But what if I tell you that if you invoke fairies and if you ask fairies to help you in this business, then this easy does it. Then this problem of yours can be sorted out easily. You might get a new idea, or you might get a new idea, you might get a new perspective about something that you can do, you could have done. Also, it's a suggestion that no, if you are really busy, if you are striving very hard, in the sense that you are not taking rest, you're not taking holidays at all, then I would suggest that you stop striving so hard and be easy to yourself, be good to yourself, and do things in a light-hearted manner rather than being serious about it. That rather being serious all the time about it. Okay, so this was the thing. Anything else, dear fairies? Let's see. Let's take out more cards from this deck. These are fairy cards. Two decks with fairies. Moderation. Is there something you shouldn't be eating? Eat Try to eat mindfully and healthy, although the fairies say that a little bit of what you fancy is fine. Okay. Basically, you are supposed to and light. You are supposed to eat healthy. what is coming forth is the fairies are saying eat healthy diet, eat raw fruits, raw vegetables, eat eat organic, pollution free, and pesticide free, and also eat mindfully. Like, don't overeat, don't undereat, eat mindfully, eat on time. Okay. And sometimes if you want to cheat, it's okay, but only sometimes, not all the time. Yeah. So one of the messages is that eat eat properly, eat slowly, take your time, don't rush. Just make it a habit that you eat slowly and you chew every bite, in that sense. And light. The fairy queen of light comes to shed love and light onto your current situation and to remind you that light can penetrate the darkness. So never think that your darkness or your dark hours, your dark time will last forever. Never think like that, because light is always present and light will penetrate into the dark and bring out the, like a burst of light, and everything will shine in your life. So never underestimate light. Okay. The darkness may be very heavy, but light is even more powerful. There is no doubt about it. Yeah. So never think that your circumstances will never change. They will change for sure. But you also try on yourself. Like, what I'm getting is that from your end, you should also try to bring light into your life. Pray regularly, meditate, and eat well. The way the cards came earlier, eat well, and also be happy, joyful, be optimistic in future. Fairy spotting. Okay. It's time to go fairy spotting. It said that seeing is believing. But in fact, the opposite is true. Believing is seeing. Will you go for fairy spotting? Imagine, it is this card. I think this card is not for just for fun. It is for seriously believing in the fact that fairies are there, and that when you believe in them, then you see them. So you never know, a mystical experience might just happen with you, and you are like, "Ah, I just saw a fairy." It doesn't happen like that, but maybe this card is also telling you to believe in them, basically. To believe in them, to have faith in them. And believing can move mountains. When you believe in something, you can move mountains. So just believe in fairies, that they are there, they are the guardians of nature, and guardians of earth, and they believe in us, and they want us to hear them out, to act in the right way, to act in the right manner. So this was the reading. So far, do you want me to take out more cards? Certainly, some more cards. Oh, okay. Flourish and purity. Always trust in the purity of your heart. Look inside your heart, and within it, you will find the answer to your question. Purity and flourish. The lotus flower fairy tells you to learn from experience and shed your inner light on any unclear areas of your life, or others, on those of others. So purity is saying that, so if you have any question regarding anything, that question, the answer to that question is in yourself only. It is not outside of you. And you trust that you are pure from your heart, and that light that you have in you will bring forth the answer. See, what happens is we look for the answers outside of us, but most of the answers are inside. So when the answers are inside, why are we trying to ask to people, like, to thousands, to people, like, that, we are constantly searching for answers outside, validation from outside, which is unnecessary. So this card says, anything else? There's a light in your heart, because I'm being drawn towards this lantern, which is in this fairy's hands. So light is in your heart. You have to you have to find it out. You have to become so peaceful and calm to feel that light in your heart, to see that light in your heart. Okay. Okay. Also, and this card is the continuation of that card. So this card also says that you have a light in your heart, and you must light in your heart, and you must try to listen to unclear to your inner light, to clear. Basically, what they are saying, what they're trying to say is that, wake up, humans, wake up. You have light in your heart. All the questions that you need to and you need answers, are you already know it, and you also go within to find answers of the questions without, in the sense that questions that are lingering in your mind, something that is bothering you, you have questions, you have answers in you only. That is what I could see. And what fairies are saying, you are capable of it. Wow, I just heard a fairy. Anyways, I'm so glad. Thank you, dear girl. Thank you, fairy. Okay. So anything else? So this was the reading, and I hope you liked it. And fairies are with us. Believe you me, I have just got an answer from a fairy. Fairies are for real, and trust us. Trust us and have faith in us. Oh, that is fairies saying. Okay, trust fairies. Trust us. That is what fairies are saying. So with that, I end up this video. I will come up with the next video after in the next week or sometime. And till then, have a good life, keep smiling, and be happy, be healthy, and bye for now.